Now we're going to start piecing what is in bag RB2, and these are called the inside corner and connector blocks. And we're going to stitch and subcut 3 different strata. The first strata 3 is going to be 1 strip of medium fabric, cut 1.5 inches, sewn onto 1 strip of dark 3 fabric that's cut 1.5 inches. And for the throw size, we're going to make 2 sets of these. For the double size, we're going to make 3 sets. Press this toward the dark fabric. And when you're finished, you're going to subcut these into 1.5 inch pieces. For the throw size, we'll have 40 pieces, and for the double size, we'll have 80 pieces. For the next section, it's strata number 4, and we're going to take a 1.5 inch strip of the dark 3 fabric and a 2.5 inch strip of the background fabric. We're going to piece these together like this. For the throw size, you'll have 2.5 sets, so you'll have 2 full width of fabric sets plus 1 half width of fabric set. For the double size, we're going to have 5 sets of this. Press this toward the dark fabric. Next, we're going to subcut these into 2.5 inch segments. For the throw size, we'll need 40 segments, and for the double size, we'll need 80 segments. And for the last strata in this bag, it's strata 5, and we're going to stitch a 2.5 inch background strip to a 1.5 inch dark 2 fabric strip, and then another 2.5 inch background strip to the dark 2 fabric strip. We're going to press these towards the light fabric. We're going to press these toward the background fabric. Once these sets are pieced and pressed, we're going to subcut them into 4.5 inch segments. For the throw size, we'll need 20 segments, and for the double size, we'll need 40 segments.